In another difficult day for the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu Coin is unfortunately down. Bitcoin is unfortunately down. Ethereum is unfortunately down. Everything is unfortunately down today. And I do believe it could have a variety of reasons affecting the market. But guys, tomorrow is the interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve. Typically, any time ahead of a very large event like that, the most conservative traders begin to sell off, shave their positions, pull out of the market just so they don't have to be exposed to the volatility. Now, some of the times it works out well for them because there is a pullback, and some of the times it works out terribly for them because we move to the next leg higher and begin to break out on resistance. Now, I don't exactly know what is going to be taking place tomorrow. I don't think anybody knows what is going to be taking place tomorrow or any time in the future. Therefore, they would be a fortune teller if they did. But we're going to look at an opinion here that says Shiba Inu Coin is going to pull back 10% before it begins to bounce once again. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're going to be getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk, you got to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And thank you to everybody going out, grabbing the bro merch, grabbing the SHIB merch, literally grabbing anything off of Amazon because you guys are burning Shiba Inu Coin by doing so. How does it work? If you use the Amazon affiliate link in the description, you're going to land on a Shiba Inu Coin merch page. If you don't want the SHIB merch, scroll to the top of the page, use the search bar, search for anything you want, simply log into your cart, and then make your purchase, and it says, okay, Claybro sent this traffic to Amazon, we are going to reward him. The rewards are roughly a 1% of the gross sales. So some of them are a little bit higher, some of them are a little bit lower. If you guys are buying Amazon games, make sure to use that link for sure, because rewards there are like 20%, but I don't think too many people are buying those games. But I do want to say thank you to everybody who utilizes that. It's no additional money spent for you, no additional money spent for me. We are literally burning Amazon's revenue, and I believe that that is one of the most sustainable and scalable ways to burn Shiba Inu Coin possible. So thank you. Shiba Inu Coin price prediction. SHIB might drop 10% for a liquidity sweep before the next leg up. And I might shock some of you guys with this one, but I actually believe that Shiba Inu Coin could drop another 20% before we see the next leg up. Now, that's because if we do drop at all, we're going to be falling through the current level. Shiba Inu Coin, at the time of recording this video, is trading around 2,500 to 2,525 points per coin. Bouncing around in that range right there is extremely significant because if it drops below 2,500 points per coin, the next major support on SHIB is going to be 2,000 points per coin. Now, SHIB's current 2% decline on the day coincides with a 5% decline in Bitcoin and a 5% decline in Ethereum. So Shiba Inu Coin is actually outperforming the larger cryptocurrencies in this space right now as people maintain these support levels. That is excellent to see, but it does not mean that we're not going to see a further leg down. If Bitcoin comes back down into the $50,000 range, if Ethereum drops back down below $3,000 per coin, I mean, there's no reason we shouldn't expect Shiba Inu Coin to fall through that next level of support there and possibly attempt the 2,000 point per coin level of support. So knowing that we have that, we're going to go through this article. They're calling for roughly a 10% decline. I'm saying we could even see a 20% decline before major support is hit. So it says, Shiba Inu Coin's price is eyeing a 10% fall before a possible pullback. After a strong move north, Shiba Inu Coin sidestepped Avalanche by market capitalization metrics. Shiba Inu Coin's price is crashing alongside its sector peers like Dogecoin and Pepe. Now, I don't know if this necessarily constitutes a crash. Okay, I think a lot of these articles, they like to use very vivid wording, and crash gets people's attention. So Shiba Inu Coin pulling back, absolutely. Crashing is something that you would use if things were going bad, right? But this is market volatility in the crypto space, and this is exactly what all of you guys have been dealing with for the past several years. After breaking out of the neutral triangle, Shiba Inu Coin's price crashed, again, over 20%, with traders now cashing in on gains made during the attempted Sunday recovery. The bears have seen the numbers, while the position of moving average convergence and divergence histogram bars flashing red in negative territory are also below that zero line. The awesome dollar oscillator, AO, also displays red bars with their volumes dwindling as they close in on the mean line. If the trajectory sustains, the awesome oscillator, that's a tough one to say, guys, I dare you to try and say it, could fall into negative territory as well. Furthermore, the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, is recording lower highs and lower lows, with a nosedive suggesting falling buying pressure. Absolutely. But this does not, we've discussed this over the last several days, right? When you have a falling price on falling volume, it does indicate less buying pressure, but it doesn't necessarily indicate selling pressure. People are taking profits, people are holding. We just don't have the new money flowing in to sustain a growth or I guess a gain in Shiba Inu Coin. It would be a much different story, and a potential crash, yes, if we saw increasing volume and a decreasing price. With an outlook this bearish, Shiba Inu Coin's price could drop and find the support around the 2,500 point per coin level, which is exactly what it is doing today. If this level fails to hold, Shiba Inu Coin could squat lower to the collect buy side liquidity that continues to reside below the aforementioned level. Such a move would constitute a fall of about 10% below the current levels. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, guys, I actually am setting up for a potential 20% decline from the current levels. These guys are actually a little bit more, I don't know, conservative in terms of how far they believe Shiba Inu Coin could fall before they see a consolidation level. So prepare for it, right? With a lot of the market on edge right now, prepare for it. If that means that you guys are just going to continue holding, absolutely continue holding. If that means that you guys believe if the market falls, it's time for you to sell and then buy back in at a lower price, absolutely go that route. But just prepare for a potential move. Look, all of this tomorrow could be fake old news. We might get an interest rate cut tomorrow, and Shiba Inu Coin can begin soaring higher. Nobody knows what tomorrow brings. A lot of analysts and expectations, however, are for interest rates to stay the same, and we therefore are going to see some volatility in the crypto space and potential downside. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.